I finally decided to bite the bullet and buy a Sailor Pro Gear Slim 21 karat gold nib fountain pen. I got this for a pretty good price off of Amazon at around $143. The price on retailers and importers is at $360. However, this is still quite a bit more than the 14 karat version, which I bought for $76.13 in November of last year. So I'm really curious, is this pen really twice as good? This is the Sailor Pro Gear Slim fountain pen in Winter Rain. The pen has a beautiful matte translucent lavender color body with clear ends. The pen cap has gold accents and is threaded. The 21 karat pens have a dual color nib. It's gold with silver accents. This is the Sailor Pro Gear Slim in the style Meigetsu, or Harvest Moon. The pens are of the same size and construction. The Winter Rain is matte, and the Meigetsu is slightly glossy with an understated shimmer. The nib on the 14 karat pen is all gold, and the gold tone is a bit more yellow in color. I tried swapping the pen caps with each other and they don't look terrible. However, it's much more clear this way to see how the texture and gold colors are different on the two pens. Now I'm going to try writing with them. First, I'm going to use the 14 karat extra fine nib since it already has an ink cartridge in it. I really do love how this pen writes. It feels effortless because the pen is light. Now I'm going to put the same ink cartridge into my new 21 karat medium fine nib pen. The writing experience feels similar on both pens. The one difference I noticed is that writing on the reverse side of the nib isn't as smooth as on the 14 karat nib. I'm not sure, but this may come with time since this is a completely new pen. Next, I'm going to try to find an ink color that matches with the pen. I have an extra mini converter that works with the Pro Gear Slim and the Pro Gear Slim Minis. This is the Sailor Studio Ink 252. I swatched it in a previous video and I think it will match super well with this pen. The ink matches the pen color so well, but it's too light for writing. I'll probably use it to accent, underline, and doodle in my journal. Overall, I love how the pen looks, feels, and writes. However, I don't feel any improvement in writing quality, and the 21 karat nib doesn't justify the price jump. Both pens are absolutely beautiful, so I don't regret buying them at all.